some things are just plain to see, like how that section of this front drive managed to stay so clean. Care to hazard a guess? It should be pretty obvious, especially after seeing our hero of the day, Ricky Banjo of Bournemouth Jet Washing, showing up to clean everything around where the car was parked. That's right. That lovely clean space, protected by the car. Hi, Ricky. He's here, of course, for tea and biscuits and to get the job done. First, using that wand to clean the brick wall, and then using this massive surface cleaner to tear all of that grease, grime, algae, and more off of these lovely driveway slabs. And just look at how quickly, with that hot water and that high pressure, it's able to turn things around. And because it's just hot water, safe for all the plants in the yard. Of course, Ricky's gotta wear that bright protective jacket to let you know to stay back while he's powering through all of this grime. Just about done with wave 1 now. A small space down the side of the house, and then everything gets a rinse down to reveal that it's almost entirely clean. Not good enough for Ricky Banjo, though. Once that's done, and as he's doing it, carefully inspecting to see where any remaining stains, any tough algae spots or more need a little extra work. Now corralling all of that grimy water off of the drive, leaving things looking pretty good. Here comes a special non-toxic chemical treatment that'll eradicate any remaining algae and help to break down all those tough stains that might need a little scrubbing once everything's being allowed to soak in and really break it all down. You get that final satisfying rinse. Removing the suds and showing off a gorgeous slab driveway. One that hasn't looked that good in a long time. And of course, getting rid of everything that spilled out on to the street as well. A look at the incredible work of our man from Bournemouth jet washing, Ricky Banjo. A real everyday hero. Just take a look. The before and after speak for themselves. Way to go, Ricky.